Welcome back to Keeping It Real TV. My name is Kendall B. from the KS 1075 Morning Show. And we're hanging out with the young ladies, the Her World Seminars Conference going on, young women in science and technology and business. And of course, this is all about science. We have Georgia here, and she's doing a little demonstration from the Challenger Learning Center that's in Colorado Springs. Hi, Georgia. How are you? Good. You look great. Yeah, you're fantastic. Like you're just ready to walk on the moon or do whatever. Got the oxygen hooked in and everything. You look fantastic. So I won't bother her too much because I think she has to breathe. So we'll flip this up a little bit. Breathe. There you go. Speaking of Colorado Springs and the Challenger Learning Center, teen court going on in Colorado Springs. It's where teens can get together and say you're guilty, you're not guilty for things that they may have done wrong. It's a true jury of your peers, and we're going to go to Colorado Springs and check that out right now. Okay, close you back up.
Don't talk too fast and don't talk too slow. You want to talk slower than I'm talking now. In teen court, it's very much real. I've seen cases of assault, shoplifting, possession of a weapon at school, and it's all very real. And although the defendant has pled guilty, this is all about sentencing. So the sentence that either on peer panels or in trials that is handed down is carried out, and then that's their sentence for the crime.
People who think that teens are just into superficial things, you know, like texting and boyfriends, like you said, it's a good thing for them to see, because this gives teenagers an opportunity to speak out about something that they actually do care about. So often teenagers aren't given the opportunity to interact in a very serious environment. We're not put in boardrooms or office environments. So this is just it's a venue where teens can take things seriously and show that they have talents that are used in a professional world.
All rise.
The difference between teen court and regular court, if you will, is that in teen court, we're not dealing with innocence or guilt. We're not dealing with did he do it or did she not do it. The defendants have pled guilty, and so we're talking about how to sentence them and how to best ensure that they're not going to reoffend or anything like that.
This is case number 09J06149.
The benefit of teen court is that you actually you can have that sentence removed from your record through a somewhat bureaucratic process, but you don't have that option in regular court. Coming to teen court, it appears as, I believe, dismissed on your record, and then you actually can have that just removed from the record a period of time later.
I've learned a lot of different things. Like in the legal aspect, I've learned things about the legal system I never knew. But I also learned, I learned that often kids don't shoplift because they are terrible people or because they just want to commit a crime. Often it's a matter of trying to fit in with a crowd, and sometimes they need that second chance that teen court gives. They're not terrible people, they're not trying to be a criminal, they just get in with the wrong crowd one time, one mistake, and then they have a ticket. And then teen court is just an opportunity for them to have a second chance.
And after someone's been through teen court, less than 20% of them come back again. So they turn their life around at teen court because they're being judged by their peers and not adults. So good job going on in Colorado Springs. We're back at the Her World Seminar, and we're at the Heart Lab workshop, of course. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm good. But inside, they're actually going to be dissecting a sheep's heart. Sounds pretty cool. We're going to go and check that out here in just a second. And when we come back on Keeping It Real TV, we're going to go to the Denver Museum of Contemporary Art and check in with some young people who are explaining art to me and even people older than me. They know what they're talking about, and we're going to talk to them next on Keeping It Real TV.